skeletons hate winter because the wind goes straight through them.
Did you hear about the mayor who wanted to marry a ghost? I don't know what possessed her.
What is evil and ugly on the inside and green on the outside? An evil enchantress dressed as a cucumber.
Why was the little colt unhappy to win first prize in Nightmare Night costume competition? Because he was only there to pick up his sister.
What is evil and ugly and bounces? An evil enchantress on a trampoline. Why did the gypsy give up fortune telling? Because she saw no future in it.
What do you call a ghost, mother and father?
Transparent! What's a skeleton's favorite drink? Milk! It's so good for the bones! What did the polite ghost say to her son? Don't spook until spoken to. A mare went to a Nightmare Night party with a sheet on her head. Are you a ghost? Her friends asked. No, I'm an unmade bed. What trees do ghosts like best? Cemeteries! Another mare went to a Nightmare Night party with a sheet on her head. Are you an unmade bed? Her friends asked. No, I'm an undercover agent.